Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new ride. This is going to be my first motor vlog in this channel, and I haven't told you the location where we are heading, right? I will inform you in 5 minutes after filling the petrol. I have tied my bag to the bungee cords, so I'm just checking twice whether it's gonna withstand or not. ఆన్లైన్ పేమెంట్ అవుతుందా లేదా? ఎయిర్ కొడుతున్నారా? ఎయిర్ ఆన్లైన్ పేమెంటే లేదు, ఎయిర్ లేదు, అనవసరంగా కొట్టించి వేస్ట్. ఇక్కడ టైమ్ ఈజ్ 7 o'clock on 27th September. So yeah, let's start. So now we are heading to Nellore district in Andhra Pradesh to visit a beach. And also I have chosen that because it's probably somewhat the nearest beach. Thanks, man. So done refilling the tank and done refilling the tire. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా ఆరామ్సే వెళ్ళొచ్చు. ఇంకా ఇట్స్ లైక్ అరౌండ్ 160 kilometers from Tirupati, where I'm starting right now. Basically like a test ride for the camera and the mic setup inside the helmet, and also and the gadget which you will see after the vlog is released. Beautiful morning climate, that golden sun rays from the clouds will be like the best thing in the morning. And also bike riders like to ride in the morning times, like in this climate. Maximum distance you want to cover in this climate. It will be cool. It will be like we can escape from the sun, and we can escape from the heat, and so on. So the morning rides are always the best. This is our first toll gate in our motovlog and in our YouTube channel. Everything. Nellore toll gate. Our first ever toll gate we crossed. Suddenly it's like I am in East Godavari district. The coconut trees and all. But we are in Nellore district near Maipadu beach. Hardly 7 or 8 kilometers to the beach. Welcome to Maipadu. भैया थोड़ा टाइट दे दो. अन्ना మైపాడు బీచ్ కిట్టేనా? Hello guys, and finally I have reached Maipadu beach after 4 hours of time maybe. It's my first time motovlogging, right? So I was checking whether the camera is recording or not and stopping here and there. So I took some extra time reaching here. 3 hours became 4 hours to reach. And now anyway I'm finally in the lap of nature. I'll show you the beach in few minutes, and you can see the buildings behind me. So that is AP Tourism Harita Resort. You can plan to stay here if you like. You are planning to have a night stay over here, coming from Bengaluru or some other place. So it's the best place to stay. And also there is a temple behind me. We have the beach. We have the beautiful beach. Maybe because of the COVID there's less crowd, but usually there will be lot. So yeah, finally beach, and enjoy the cinematic shots now. as you can see guys, I am on my way back to Tirupati. It's pretty much the same way which I came in the morning, so there's nothing much to vlog or anything special to show to you. I'm also getting bored because of the same route, but that's how the vlogger's life will work out, or the biker's life will work. And yeah, in 1.5 hours or so I'll reach my home. Wow, the infinite colors of sunset. Can you count the number of colors you can see now? I can't because I am driving. Beautiful sunset, saying a beautiful goodbye. See you guys.